Hey guys, what is up? It is Cameron, and today we are about to move the Mustang so we can pull the engine and rebuild it. If you guys are new viewers to the channel, consider subscribing. Without further ado, let's get into today's video. We got the trailer all ready to go and Mustang's up here. About to get it done, folks. About to get it done. Mustang's over there. It is so loud! I can barely even hear, guys. It is so loud. Oh my God. All back from dropping the Mustang off. It's actually the next day. It's why I'm wearing a different shirt. I didn't actually film anything after loading it back or loading it up, or right before loading it up, mainly because there wasn't a lot to film. We were just really headed to the place, dropping it off and coming back, and I didn't think I could justify filming anything because it was super dark outside. That being said, I have some announcements to make as far as the car is concerned. So when we were loading it on the trailer, we did end up damaging the side skirts and the front bumper. So those will actually be replaced. The previous owner put on a fiberglass body kit. I'm not a fiberglass fan, so we'll be replacing it with urethane, which is way stronger and way more durable. Additionally, the passenger side front wheel was scratched even more so than it was, just because the fenders on the trailer were narrow and we had to get the car up there. But yeah, anyways, we will be replacing those as well. Looking at the title of the vehicle, you guys can see the car is 3,100 pounds, which means it is the GTS. And it was originally yellow. Look at that, yellow. So we'll probably be actually painting the car yellow again, make it look nice and beautiful. I actually still have pictures of when it was yellow. They're not the best quality, but these are it. I honestly feel that it's, 2 steps forward, 3 steps back with the build, but we're getting there slowly but surely. I think the car's now at a place where it can be taken care of. We're gonna pull the engine and replace the vital engine components. We're gonna rebuild the engine, make it stronger than ever, and hopefully in the future we'll be able to boost it, so it'll be able to handle all the power, because we'll have forged I-beam rods made with 4330 steel, and we'll have some better hypernautic pistons and brand new gaskets all around, head studs, all that, and a stronger crankshaft, which is a big plus, like Sweden's flag. I just cracked a Sweden's flag joke. Nice. Needless to say, guys, I'm going to end today's video. If you guys are new viewers out there, consider subscribing, smash that like button, and comment down below anything you guys want to see done to the Mustang, as I am currently pricing parts and getting ready to buy them. I hope you guys have a good day/night wherever you may find yourselves, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.